I greet you, the great and wonderful people watching this video, right? The question on board is still coming from the electrical power of a system, okay, which I have been treating since. Please make sure you watch other videos, because this one will be the last topic the last question I will solve in this electrical power and energy, okay? Now the question says that this is a diagram, this is a circuit which has two resistors, 10 ohms and 5 ohms. That is the only information we have here, okay? In the diagram above, current passes through the parallel combination. We are meant to know that current passes through this parallel combination of this system, but the current is not given. If power dissipated in the 5 ohm, this 5 ohm, if power that has been dissipated in this 5 ohms is 40 watts. Now calculate the power dissipated in 10 ohms. So we are going to calculate the power we need here. Since the power needed here is 40, what is power that will be needed here, okay? So now we will now use the formula of power, which says that power is equals to V square over R, okay? Now before we can calculate the power needed here, we need voltage, and it's not given. So we are going to find the voltage by making voltage subject of formula here. It will now be V square equals to power times R, which V equals to square root power times R, okay? Now we now have this voltage by inserting our values. You know the information given here is for 5 ohms resistor, okay? Now the power we got from 5 ohm resistor is 40 times the ohms, which is 5. It will now be what? When we multiply with our calculator and find the square root, we will now have 14.14 volts, okay? So this is the value we will have here, okay? Now let us use it to calculate for the power needed here. Now the power needed in 10 ohms will now be V square over R, which will V square is 14.14 square all over 10, okay? Then when we do that with our calculator, have 200 over 10. Please use your calculator, okay, to get. We have other fractions here, so use your calculator. After that, we'll get 200 over 10, which when we divide, we will now have 20 watts. So thank you so much for watching. We will get 20 watts, okay, when we use this 10 ohms. The power we need from this, the power this 10 we will get from this 10 ohms is 20 watts, okay? That's how to solve that, okay? This will be the last topic I treat in this electric power and energy. Make sure you subscribe and follow, because I'm going to enter into other topic, okay? Thank you so much, and God bless as you subscribe and follow.